Bumbo said them bad, smartly tell me when since rifle shot a crack the skull, them and a broke up them ribs.
What the deal? What the deal? What the deal? If you guys didn't notice, Karibi Link got all my Sting videos deleted. They filed copyrights against them and we could have worked together and I would have put a link for their site on my page or, you know, videos, but they didn't want that. What the fucking deal? This was Dancehall Music Review Reaction.
Suspended. Yo, G-Mark, what's the motherfucking deal? Let me tell you what's the fucking deal. That bumbo-clad Cali fish, that Cali grass, that bumbo while we lock down the blood class thing. I'm have the copyrights for them say, Karibi Links, hey, the boost, they dead, no stack. You see my reaction on this to the blood clad thing, so they want to copyright the thing. Me say, dog, I'm vexed right now, you know. Oh, it's a chad right now, I'm gonna find them pussy, then I'm gonna find them bumbo, watch me. Just watch that.
What the deal? Here's what Karibi Link said. You YouTubers. YouTubers need to stop stealing the Sting videos.
Who a thief you think them?
G-Mark Production.
G-Mark Production? Who that?
Some little youth on the internet, you know, saying what the deal, and all kind of foolish, all type of garbage. If you guys want to do something or do a review, do your own thing.
Who else a thief video them?
Dancehall music review, whatever.
What them initials? What them go? What them call themselves? DMV them call themselves or something like that, or
DMR, whatever. It's Dancehall music review, I think. I don't even know. It's all foolishness. They need just move on. They just stealing the videos. If you want to watch the full video, all you got to do is come on Karibi Links.
Wait, them thief, the full Sting DVD, them thief?
Well, it's clips, but you know, if you want to promote the Sting videos, we could organize and come together.
So I'm making them just tell them to put a link on them video if you got the website to watch the full thing.
Well, we want all of the money, you know. We want everything to come to us. We don't really want the other guys to benefit from it. You understand? Yes.
Oh, so they just want everybody come to. I mean, so when we go up on the website, we can just buy the DVD and done. That's it.
Yes.
But somebody did that say like you have to pay every time you watch it.
Well, you know, for the internet, you know, if you want to come to it, if you want to watch it over and over, you have to pay each time. But
wait, every time?
Every time you have to pay.
Every time?
You guys got to understand the copyright laws now. You know, there's not really a big copyright law in Jamaica. On the internet, as on the YouTubers feel like you can get away with this because we're not enforcing it. But let me tell you something. You know, we are get on it. You know, if me see any room, you know, upload it on the account, I'll be watching and I'll make sure I'll file copyright against it. I'll pay my money.
But wait, the little clip them where them have up there, like, man, I see for the DMR, like him go there and him record a little something, that ain't nothing. And like on G-Mark, him have some clip, but if you tell them not even look good, like, you know, people just see an overview and then nothing big.
Well, you got to understand, when you come, when people have an event, you know, you got to pay, you know, they pay to promote it and all of that, and they pay the cameraman, you know, the cameraman, it costs 800,000 Jamaican, you know, which is probably like 8,000 US to, like, you know, get the cameraman. Then you got to think about the promoters, and we're promoting on the website. It costs money, so
yeah, but we're not supposed to think about that when you not make thing like on the overall cost and overall how much we not make. When they have an estimate.
Well, as I said already, we want all the money to come to us. So if
Oh.
we got to come to the YouTube and I have to come on my computer, behind my computer and be a gangster, I will come and I will delete it and then I will make a video, another video, talking more junk.
Oh, alright. Oh.
I'm back. About to smash y'all fools right now. Or DM, I don't know, whatever. About to smash y'all dudes like runaway slaves right now. Cause tired of this, man. You guys are thieves. Thieves, I'm telling you. You know, hiding behind the camera. Not even behind the camera, behind a mic with pictures on YouTube. Show your face. Be a real man. I don't have time for the little pitty thing. That's it. But anyways, came here to talk about the Sting. You know, you guys after I talk about pay 800, we are pay 800,000 for Sting or whatever. Come on now, guys. You know, the Sting and the artist Sting. You know the artist Sting. You know me I talk.
Who are the artists Sting?
Well,
Sting the artist? Who
Sting the
that?
artist. You know, Sting the artist. You know me. You know. But you know, Sting the artist, you know, the artist them will come and Sting
Sting the artist, yeah.
But you know, if you out on YouTube, I copyright and I take the video, me I watch, you know, buddy, I got news for you. The catching up on YouTube, a freaking thief video, whatever, you see it? I copyright it, you know, any type of copyright with Sting in it, I upload it on the phone, off on the camera, off on whatever on a record off it. No, still there's a bunch of thieves. Better go looking at the mirror, dude, cause I know now mess with. You know? You see it. But, you know, you guys are like a box of rocks, you know, in one corner. You know, a box of rocks, so I can't, you know, what that look like. Nothing, you know, you guys are nothing, man. You know, you guys are getting all this hype off of us. You know, this is my last video. No more hype. You know, no more hype from me, because, you know, we making money. We bought that dollar bill, you know what I mean? So, I ain't gonna waste none of my time. I gotta get back to work, you know, finish handling this thing. You know, if you don't want me, DMR, whatever, you know, when you come hit me up at 189, 192, Brazil Avenue, you know, come hit me up there, so, you know, you can come and we can have a personal interview, but, you know, if you get out of hand, you know, we make the authorities, the proper authorities, take it, you know, take on our way, you know, on the handcuff.
Oh, inform a thing.
Yes, inform a thing, yes, that's how we say it, you know, inform a thing, take on our way. I lock up on the bombard because we don't want no hoodlum around here. Gmark production. Tap upload video. You upload about 3 already. You do it again. You know, I make sure I get your account banned forever. And if you try to make a next account, I get that banned too. So don't test me. I did done. What the deal? What the deal? What the deal?
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys,